Science is the poetry of reality. This is Diza Villasquina here to discuss the life of Dmitri Mendeleev and his contribution to science. Dmitri Mendeleev was a Russian chemist who was best known for his development of the periodic table of elements. Dmitri's childhood was marked by tragedy when his father began having health problems. He passed away in 1847, leaving Dmitri's mother to work at a glass factory to support the family. Tragedy struck again in 1847 when the glass factory burned down. In 1855, Dmitri was diagnosed with tuberculosis, but he continued to pursue his education to become a teacher. He graduated on time at St. Petersburg University and awarded the Medal of Excellence for being first in class. Mendeleev is most famous for his development of the periodic table of elements, which he published in 1869. He hypothesized that the elements could be arranged in vertical columns and horizontal rows, according to their atomic weights and chemical properties. By arranging all the 63 elements of the known by their atomic weights, he managed to organize them into groups possessing similar properties. Where a gap existed in the table, he predicted a new element would one day be found and deducted its properties. Mendeleev also did important work in thermodynamics, the study of heat and its laws. He was the first to recognize the periodic law and to use it to predict the properties of a known element. Mendeleev's impact and legacy are immense. His work revolutionized the field of chemistry, and he is considered one of the most influential chemists of all time. His periodic table of elements is still used today and is a cornerstone of modern chemistry. Dmitri Mendeleev's development of the periodic table revolutionized science by organizing elements based on their atomic mass and properties. This innovation not only allowed scientists to predict new elements, but also advanced research across chemistry and material science. Mendeleev's work significantly influenced both theoretical and applied sciences. In recognition of his contributions, he was awarded the Copley Medal in 1905 and became a member of Royal Society. Dmitri Mendeleev once said, "I saw in a dream a table where all the elements fell into place as required. Awakening, I immediately wrote it on a piece of paper." This quote highlights how sometimes our most important discoveries came from sudden insights or dreams. It suggests that we might call fate or luck and play a big role in our achievements. To wrap up, Dmitri Mendeleev changed science forever with his periodic table, organizing elements in a way that helped predict new ones. His work still matters today, showing how one person's ideas can make a big difference. As we look back on his achievements, let's remember and appreciate how his dedication and insight have shaped science and inspired us all.